Are you lazy in drawing?
I give you an idea for that. So watch the video.
One day, one line challenge. Take a phone and set a 1 minute timer and draw a continuous random line in 1 minute. Don't break the line, just do a continuous random line. After 1 minute, you get an image.
What is this?
That's not beautiful, but if you do these things, then you get 365 drawings in a year. That's make a big practice. If you cannot stop in 1 minute, then take your sketch pencils and paints and start at the shading, coloring and hatching. Then you can also improve your coloring skill.